Hi guys, here we've got VIVO Y22S and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers. So you've got two methods, two options how to do it. At first open your phone dealer and let's enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here you've got the whole device information, so you can read both IMEI and serial numbers. Tap on OK then. And if somehow you cannot use the code, you can also find both numbers via settings. So at first let's open the settings, then go to About Phone and click on Status. And right in front of you, you've got both IMEI numbers over here. And whenever you want to reach serial number as well, you just reach software info, and here you've got serial number. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.